But the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options, cause I've been going off and they
Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a video with ZAFUL, which I'm super excited about. It's not really a fall video, but I do have some fall pieces kind of, but majority is just going to be a mixture of the summer / fall. I don't know if you live in an area where the weather be playing you. Some of the stuff that I picked out is just gonna go with the weather. You know, we just gonna go with the flow of the weather. Now, before we get into the video, if you want to be a part of the Design Squad, then definitely go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Right beside the subscribe button is a notification bell, sis. I can't tell you enough. I have to tell you in every video. You want to make sure that you click that notification bell. The reason why is because I do fashion videos, and my Design Squad, they be snatching up. Like, we come hard. Go ahead and click the notification bell. You just don't want to be that one, okay? All the sizes as well as the links to the direct clothing items that I have here will be linked in the description box below. And if you are interested, then you can click on that link and you'll see the price. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So some people may care about the packaging. Either way, this is what it looks like. It came just into this little box here, nothing special. All right, so the first outfit is this set here from ZAFUL. It is this pinstripe set, white and black. This jacket is very, very lightweight. It's no structure to it, but I really love it because it's so lightweight, it's so comfortable, and it's something that you can still wear now since it's like, you know, it's gonna be a little bit of breeze, but right now, if you're in the phase that I'm in, it's hot as hell. It is really hot right now. So I love this jacket, lightweight like I stated, and these shorts here. They have a belt with it. Again, same material, very lightweight and breezy, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try these on for you. All right, you guys. Looking like I'm like a businesswoman or whatever. This is how it looks together as a set. Let's get into it. Ooh, ooh. This is really nice. I like this. If you see me looking down, I'm just looking at my monitor. This is one of those, the summer ain't gone yet now. You know, we can still get a little bit of our summer outfits in while we can, okay? So this is one of those outfits here, like a nice Friday night, a little dinner, a little lunch, whatever you want to do, wherever you want to go. You can easily dress this up with some heels, some sandals, some sneakers, like just really depending on what you want to do or however you want to. I have this plain black tank top underneath, literally just the same one I just had on in the intro of this video, and super cute. So I like to wear my jackets off the shoulder. It's just more fashionable to me, so this is just like a step up. It's just going to give you another little look, sis. I don't know, so you can have your little purse. I mean, you looking really cute and fashionable. So this is how this look. Super cute. The pants, the shorts. The shorts does have pockets, so that's really nice. Again, very lightweight shorts. They're not fingertips, sis, so a little bit on the short side. This is how they look in the back. So again, packaging, they come into these like ZAFUL bags here, which they have different sizes. I kind of really like these bags because they're easy for just like storing other things if you need to. I'm just gonna show you this. I cannot wear these pants whatsoever. They are super cute. I got these pants in a size, I really don't know. I can't really recall what pant size I got this in. I think I got them in a size large. Definitely look at sizing whenever you are ordering from the US. They have underneath the sizes basically what it fits like. If it fits a US 6 or if it fits a US 8, things like that. It has it under those sizes, so be careful and look at that. I got an extra large is what it says here. However, these pants, I mean, I'm getting it thick or whatever. Did not fit. Now the extra large that I got, it says it was like a what, US 8, I think. US 6, US 8, but jeans like really fit funky on me anyway. I have to really go and try them on, but these are what they look like. I love the fact that they're like your mom jeans, so they're like your basic mom/boyfriend jeans. It has like this little slit here, as you see in the middle of the jean. Just something real cute, not too much, but it's high waist jeans. They also have like this little cut here on both legs of the jeans, which gives it a little bit of character. It's so cute, I like them. And then the back is also like a little bit stretchy, but not too much stretch. It has belt loops and also pockets here. So this jean is really nice. They do not stretch here in this area, so I would say if you are like smaller and narrow, then you can definitely get away with these jeans here. Alright, so the next thing I feel like this is one of the little fall items or whatever. So keep in mind, I'm not styling these items. I'm just putting them, just trying them on for you guys. I will have some styling videos coming soon. Oh. Oh. No, seriously, I really like this. It's like knit. It is a very lightweight cardigan, and it's like white and black, but it may come off like gray here on camera, but I absolutely love it. Perfect for those fall nights where it's not too breezy. I think it would definitely keep you warm in the fall. And as you can see, since it's knit, it is lightweight. It has some like holes through it, so if you have some high waist jeans, you can like tie this. You know, you could tie something like this. If you have some high waist jeans, some booties, boots, whatever you wear, you could do that. Kind of like a little wrap, and tie a belt around it to kind of cinch your waist in. I'm going to show you how to be cute and warm in the winter. But you can wear this off the shoulders if you would like to. I mean, is it crooked? I think it's crooked. Like, what is going on? Is it crooked? Okay. I like to wear mine off the shoulder, just something you could just put on, you know, just to keep the shoulders warm or whatever. And got your little outfit on, a little purse, you know, cute. So this is what I like. Again, it's lightweight, it's very comfortable. It is true to size. I think this is a dress. Yeah, I think this is a dress, but I'm gonna wear it as a little jacket. Anyway, I would love to wear like an all black sleek outfit under here. This is cute. I think this is actually like a dress, you know, because it has buttons all the way down, and you could just button it and then tie a belt around it, so you can wear it as a dress if you would like to. However, I love it as like a coat. It has like this little collar here. You tie these belts here in the back. If you tie it as tight as you can, you know, you got a little cute little bow here in the bag, which, you know, adds to it being like a jacket. And also it just kind of makes it like, you know, a little bit structured, as you can see, just a little bit more structured. I got this shirt here, which feels so good, really stretchy. Do you see the stretch? I think these shirts are like key essentials for the fall transition into the winter. It is like, this shirt is not thin. Like, it is not thin to me. I mean, it's not a thick shirt either. It's like an in-between, you know, something that's gonna definitely keep you warm just by pairing it with maybe some dark jeans and a nice little jacket. But it's super cute. I love the color, the stripes in here, the colors in here. It's just really cute. Alright, so this is the shirt here. It's not a long sleeve shirt, which I was thinking it is. I really wish that it was long sleeve. It's very form-fitting. I don't know what size this is, but keep in mind it is so much stretch to this shirt, and I absolutely love it. I would definitely pair this with some high waist jeans and tuck the shirt in. You can stay your size. You can go down size if you would like to, if you want that real snug feel. It feels really good and comfortable on. Like, I can literally move my arms around if I want to. And I know that's really important for some people, because you want to make sure you don't feel constricted when you in your clothes. I promise you, that's the worst feeling ever. Like, nobody got time for that. Next is we got this little set here. So I don't know, I seen this on a model, I thought it was really cute. So we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna see if we're gonna work with it, because I don't want y'all discouraged. But here's this set. It's mustard. So the skirt, it has like a thick band here, but it's also really stretchy. It's not stretchy all the way out, but it does have some stretch. The band here is super stretchy, so I like that about it. And it's like the sweater material. There's a little jacket or whatever to go with it. The reason why I don't like this is because it is super duper big. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys, but it's just big and it doesn't look like flattering to me. Okay, so this is the set. Again, if you like it like this, you can definitely wear it. The skirt is very fitting. As you can see, it really hugs your body. It has like some buttons here. I mean, you can kind of like lift it up. I mean, it's a lot of different things. So if you like it like this, you can kind of like have it off your shoulder, tie the buttons. You don't have to wear like a look, like you don't have to wear this underneath. Like I'm kind of trying to get rid of that. But you could do it like this. And I mean, I don't really like this area here. But it's still cute. This is something that you can really lounge in when it comes to the fall. You could be looking cute. Your friends coming over. Hey girl, this whole thing. You know, little thoughts or whatever. We got something for you. We got something for you. Don't be discouraged. I personally like, you know, tying my items. You can definitely like kind of tie it into like a little bow. Obviously, you wouldn't wear this little black tank top underneath, but you could do something cute with like a little bow. Just trying to give you the idea or whatever. And then at the back, you see it's like really structured here at the back. So it looks really good here. Alright, so here is the belt here, and the belt to it is going to really make it pop. And then, ladies, as I mentioned, you want to pull the items back. It's just going to make you look real snatched. You just see how I just pulled that? If you want it a little bit more in, you can. Like, look at that. Whole outfit, sis. Again, short. The skirt is a little short, but it's still a whole outfit. It's still a nice outfit. You can have this underneath. It still looks good. But the key to making it look really kind of snatched in is adding a belt. It's going to snatch your waist in. And then also just pulling the items back. Now, it is going to look bulgy in the back, but it can still look good. You see that? Fix it up a little bit. You see how this is bulging up? Just tuck it in. Tuck it in and then scrunch it. Tuck it in, scrunch, get it to your liking, make it look really cute, and it'll be a whole look. So it's like, look how cute this is. You just turned this into a whole outfit. It's like, what, 3 or 4 different things that you can do with this set here. Let me know, sis. Let me know which one is your favorite look. In the comments down below right now, pause the video, but come back to it. Pause the video, go down to the comment section. Let me know which style you like best with this set here. This is, hi, welcome to my fall party. Yes, 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 I have pumpkin spice drinks. Go ahead and help yourself. Alright, so I have this shirt here. It kind of reminds me of like a Tommy Hilfiger shirt. And I think that is super cute. I'm actually going to put it against this yellow. That's okay, that is cute. 75% of the shirt is like blue, but it has this like little piece here that's burgundy, and I think it's like super cute. And then it has the burgundy lines here. What looks like a barcode on the navy blue side. It is like a turtleneck. It's also like a crop top, so if you wanted to wear some high waist jeans with it, or like a little skirt like I have here, you can. Like, that's super cute. But hair size, you can go up a size if you want it to be more like loose fitting on you. But yes, let me just go ahead and try this on. Alright, so this is how this top look. I absolutely love it. It may be a little bit brighter here on camera, but trust me, this is like a really nice, pretty burgundy, and I love the way this look. Like, oh, I love it. Now, I would say that I wish the sleeves were just a little bit longer. Like, I kind of like for it to be halfway on my hand. That's just me. But at least wrist length. Like, I really wish that it was a little bit longer, but there's not a problem with that. You can definitely just pull it up so it just won't feel awkward on you, if you know what I mean. If you have like a little party to go to, again, it's giving me like 90s theme, you know, so you can wear it with some mom jeans. Now, the last item that I got, I honestly cannot wear. So it's this skirt here. It does have suspenders, but this is what the skirt looks like. It's just really tight around my hip area. But with that being stated, it's still a very cute skirt. It comes with like these suspenders. I thought this would be so cute for the fall because you can wear this with like a nice bodysuit, like a long sleeve bodysuit, with this skirt and some boots and like some nice cute socks or something. If you watch Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, which I don't know who hasn't, but you know Ashley Banks, how she used to have like the little skirt, the suspenders, but like a long sleeve shirt with some maybe like boots and like some chunky socks or something. And then also ZAFUL. And the holes are not cut in the skirt. Come on now, ZAFUL. So keep in mind that you do have to cut the holes if you get, I'm not sure, maybe I just didn't get holes cut into my skirt, I don't know. There are buttons here for you to attach this. Alright you guys, so that just completes my ZAFUL haul. As I mentioned, it's like a fall / summer haul, you know. So we slowly but surely getting into the fall. The links, sizes will be linked in the description box below. Let me know what your favorite piece was. Let me know how you would style some of these items. Love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.